Hey there, cool cat. What's up? I hope you're having a fantastic day, but if you're not, that's why we're here, right? So I want to give you a little tip about using solfege for your mental health. So a lot of people, when they sing solfege, they're singing it in a way where it's really robotic. They sound like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. They don't put any vibrato in it, and it's more like you're really focusing on the syllables but not on actually experiencing the music. And it's the music part of it that's the fun part. So this is how you make solfege fun. So the first thing you got to do is focus on vibrato. Vibrato is a way of making the note go slightly up and down while you sing it, which kind of makes it wave out like that. And it's super duper fun. The way I like to think of it is to sing one note, do, and then just think of it going do, up, down, up, do. If you keep shrinking it down bit by bit, eventually you get into that beautiful vibrato. This typically doesn't happen overnight, so you gotta practice it a little bit, but feel free to send me a message and I could always help you out personally. Okay, I hope this was helpful for your mental health. This was Imanni from Imanni Music. See y'all for the next video.